Welcome to HCL's Fast Break, where we take a moment to discuss various HCL products and services. The CDC estimates 1.7 million patients develop a hospital-acquired infection annually. It's estimated that 99,000 of them will die as a result. What's worse, the majority of these infections are considered preventable through better infection prevention and thorough cleaning. The Leda Professional has a great product that helps prevent these acquired infections: SafePlus wipes and dispenser. These wipes are made from the finest microfibers, which provide superior cleaning results. They also offer many critical benefits. Some include quick and hygienic cleaning of all surfaces, including high-risk areas, superior durability, and cleans and disinfects at the same time, all while reducing cross-contamination. To prepare contents, write the details of the contents on the poly bag using a felt tip pen. Pull the tab and remove the seal from the poly bag. Mix your cleaning solution per the directions on the container. Pour the solution into the bag and on the roll. Wait for 15 minutes. Take the poly bag and partially pull the wipe from the center of the roll. Push the wipe through the feeder. Attach the ring of the poly bag to the feeder. Close the dispenser. The dispenser can stand alone or be mounted for your convenience. So, if you need to improve your cleaning game, give SafePlus wipes and dispenser a try. It'll help provide the high level of surface cleaning and disinfection that you need.